What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today, we're going to answer the question that's been asked numerous times in comments about the Steelmadeusa Griddle. Can you do chicken wings on the Steelmadeusa Griddle? No matter what you call it, chicken wings, buffalo wings, hot wings, yes, you can do it. We're going to do it today. We're going to do it on the Steelmadeusa Griddle today, guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like it, do me a favor. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some chicken wings. Supporting cast, very, very simple. We gotta have the star of the show, chicken wings. I got my chicken wings laid out on a tray. They've been in the refrigerator for about 4 or 5 hours, so the whole purpose was to dry them out. I'll get to that in just a second. But ingredients very simple: salt and pepper, some Lowry seasoning salt. I got some seasoning I want to try. This is some Bourbon City seasoning I got in Florida. I want to see what it's like. They say it's good on seafood, chicken, pork, and steak. So let's see what it's like. A little bit of cornstarch and some vegetable oil. That's all there is. So those are all the supporting cast. So I want to talk a little bit about how to actually do this on the Steelmade, or any type of flat top for that matter. The most important part is the chicken wings have to be dry. I put a little bit of salt in them, put salt on them, and put them in the refrigerator. Let them sit for a couple hours, for in this case about 4 hours. That salt draws the moisture out of them. Now, before I put them on the stove, and before I season them, I'm going to pat them off and get as much moisture as I can with some paper towel off. So that's the most important part, and the cornstarch is going to help with that. Gives a little bit of a coating and brings out the moisture. So that's the most important part. Let's get started putting it together. So like I said, I got my chicken laid out here on a tray. So I'm just going to take some paper towel, and we're just going to try to get all the moisture out of these that I possibly can with just a paper towel. I put a little bit of paprika on them before I put them in the refrigerator as well. That's the redness that you see. We're going to try to get all this moisture out of here as much as we possibly can, just with a paper towel. Spread them back out. Alright. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil to them. This is just to help seasoning stick. Get those all coated in some vegetable oil. There we go. Alright, so the first seasoning we're going to put on just some good old salt and pepper.
I'm in the kitchen, and I'm whipping. Hey. Seasoning that chicken.
Pink Himalayan sea salt, you know how I get down. Don't be afraid to put some salt on them, guys. Salt's the only one that will go through and break through that chicken. Go ahead and hit some black pepper. Alright, we're going to hit it with a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. Alright, we're going to hit it with this little bit of Bourbon City seasoning that we got here. Alright, I'm going to mix that up in here real good. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands off real quick. Alright, and then I'm going to talk about a little bit later what sauce I'm going to be using. I'm going to use a couple different sauces, so I'll talk about that here in just a second. But now we're going to dose this with a little bit of cornstarch here. You don't really want to coat them. We just want to get some cornstarch on them. It'll help crisp them up a little bit and also draw out some of the moisture. Alright, that's enough. And we're going to move these around into cornstarch. Alright, we're going to go over to the griddle. Let's get this thing started. So we're over here at the Steelmadeusa Griddle. If you don't know about this, let me tell you a little bit about it first. The Steelmadeusa Griddle basically turns your stovetop into a flat top in a matter of seconds. As you can see, it's just a sheet of metal you put on top. You control your 4 eyes, control the heat temperature, and I love it. If you watch my videos before, you know I have this on for a lot of different videos. So go check it out. If you want to buy one of these, you can definitely get it. All you have to do is click on the first link in my description, and it'll take you to the website. You purchase what you want. Make sure you use the code as a checkout code, the number 5. Big Tone, and it'll give you 10% off whatever you purchase from the website. So don't miss out on that opportunity. But here we are. Let's get started with this. I got a little bit of oil on here. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to the Steelmade, and we're gonna come in with a chicken back here first. You can hear that sizzle. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more oil back here. And back to these eyes as well here, over here, on this side. So as I'm putting these on, we're gonna let these just cook. We need to get that sear on them. We need to get that brown, that color on them as well. So we're just going to let these cook. No big secret to it. We're just going to let these cook for a minute, and I'll turn them over, see if I got some color on them. We'll just keep flipping them. Now don't get impatient with this. This is going to take a little bit of time. So we want to get our internal temperature up to on these wings, 165, preferably 175, before they're done. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So sit back, relax, let them cook, let them do their thing. Don't get impatient. Guys, so it's been a few minutes. I've let these cook. I want you to see something. Look at that. I'm going to start to flip these. Look at how. Oh my God, look at that. It's going to be good. Flip these back here. Look at that crust. There's one thing I don't like is a soggy, flaccid chicken wing. So this is perfect for me. Look at that. That cornstarch really helps out. Look at that. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to let these continue to cook on the other side, and we'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to check the temp on a couple of these. Me personally, I want to be somewhere around the 170 range. Alright, so I'm about 169, 170, something like that. I'm going to let these cook for a little bit longer. We're going to take them off and we're going to sauce them. But what I'm going to do and what I like to do is I like to bring stuff to the middle Oh, look at those chicken wings. Oh my God. Look at those wings. Ooh, baby. So I'm going to do wings two different ways. Or two different flavors, I should say. I'm going to do one with Famous Dave's. I like this sauce. It's okay. It's what they had at the store. They didn't have my favorite. You guys know my favorite is Mom Paul's or Paul Ma's, which is a local brand, but that's what I had today. And then we're going to do a buffalo wing with this Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I'm just going to put them in this bowl here, shake them up, plate them up for you guys. So first thing I'm going to do is the buffalo style wings. Pour a little sauce in here. And we're just going to toss these up in here just a little bit, just like that. And I'm going to plate them up for us. Alright, next thing we're going to do is the barbecue sauce. Toss these up a little bit. Ah, yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Bam! There you go. Hot wings, buffalo wings, whatever you want to call them. I got hot wings and I got buffalo wings here on the Steelmadeusa Griddle. Yes, you can cook it on there. Just be patient with it. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Give me a second, let me get that bite. Good old hot wings, buffalo wings, whatever you want to call it, chicken wings on the Steelmadeusa Griddle. Yes, you can do it on there. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get one. That skin is extra crispy. Oh my God. Hey guys, you gotta try this. Get one of those Steelmadeusa Griddles. Don't forget to enter the code, the number 5 Big Tone, to get it 10% off. But hey guys, these are awesome. The skin is crispy, and that's what I love. So hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.